everyone, it's WPS again and welcome back to our new episode of PDF Tools for Mac. Besides the traditional Office suite writer, presentation, and spreadsheet, WPS Office for macOS also comes with our key feature WPS PDF Suite. The PDF tools includes PDF Converter. It has a very fast conversion time frame and transmits all the necessary details of a converted file to the version chosen. You can use WPS PDF to either merge or split files, or compress the file into a smaller size for a lighter, faster transmit. WPS PDF also can be used to annotate editing. It's a great tool for note-taking. However, what people may not know is that WPS also provides those PDF tools online without the need to download any software to convert your documents into PDF format or in the other way around. And the PDF tools are a 100% free solution to all your PDF problems. For today, let's start with the most commonly used one, PDF Converter. I will show you how to convert your PDF into document. Let's get started. You can either install the WPS Chrome plugin, you can find the download link down below, or through the website pdf.wps.com. The first step is to choose your conversion option from a full page selection we offers. Secondly, browse your device to upload the file that you wish to convert. Now that the conversion has complete, just click download and you are all set. Simple, right?